Hi beauties, welcome back. So if you want to see how I achieve this look with just 3 products, okay, this is everyday makeup look for beginners. You don't have to use hundreds of products on your face for everyday makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, honestly, keep on watching, okay, with just 3 products. More than that, I did not use. Okay. Hi, beauties. Good morning. Welcome back. So, ignore my voice. I just wake up. Yeah. So, the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going to use a brow brush to brush my brow hairs. So, a friend of mine, she's learning how to micro braid and she's using my brow to practice that. What am I trying to say in essence is if you have a good brow, you don't need to do anything on your brow like using brow pencil or brow gel. You don't need them, okay? So the second thing is beauties. I have oily skin. I have dark spots. I have hyperpigmentation. So I am using a soft matte foundation from Fenty Beauty. No primer. Why I am using this particular foundation is because it says soft matte. So regardless of my oily skin, is going to keep my face matte. If you have dry skin, during your skincare routine, try to use a richer moisturizer so that when you start applying your foundation, it's going to blend flawlessly, okay? Yeah, as a beginner, we don't need 100 steps in our makeup. I used to watch a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial and then in the comment section, they'll be telling you, oh, this is not a beginner-friendly. There are so many steps. So here I am trying to show you that you don't have to go through so many steps to get your makeup. This is like everyday beginner type of makeup. We are not going to wear this makeup for 10 hours, for 12 hours. It's just a matter of hours. Then we'll come back home and clean off our makeup. So there are so many steps that we don't even need in our makeup routine. So as you can see, I did not apply any primer. I just go straight with my foundation. Yeah. Can you see how the foundation just covered and give me even coverage? And then you can still see my shadow like contour. We have naturally contour beauties. So you can still see my contour around my ear areas peeping through. That is what I love whenever I'm doing a beginners friendly type of makeup. Yeah. So the second product that I'm going to use in this video is mascara. It is optional. If you have long lashes, beauties, skip this particular product. You don't need mascara. You don't need falsies if you have long lashes. So if at the end of the day you have a good brow, you have a long lashes, all you needed right now is only foundation. I did not even apply concealer on my eyes. Beauties, concealer is not a must. The beauty industry is trying to make us believe that concealer is a must, unless if you have issues under your eyes, like maybe you have a puffiness, or maybe you have dark circles, or maybe you have some hyperpigmentation around your eyes. That is when you will use a concealer. Or maybe you want to highlight your under eyes to look brighter. That is when you will use a concealer. But here, I don't need concealer. I just woke up. I don't need concealer, okay? All I needed is just an even base under my eyes. And secondly, beauties, I did not even use powder to set the foundation because the foundation says soft matte. Reason why people are using powder to set their foundation is to stop the foundation from melting, from creasing, and if you, for example, for people that has oily skin, to stop shine or oil peeping through. But this is soft matte, so it's going to keep my face a kind of mattified for some time, okay? So that is it. No concealer, no powder, no primer. We don't need all these things as a beginner. Okay, so beauty, now I am using this product. It is called Lip and Cheek product. So you are going to apply it on your cheeks. So I am using it as a blush, okay? This is the first color I am bringing on my face. Blush is very important, beauties. It brings color. It gives that youthful glow on your face. Instead of me to use a powder blush, because if I use a powder blush, it's going to be only on my cheeks, but this particular one, it is a multi-purpose product. As a beginner, always go for multi-purpose products that you will use for so many reasons or purpose on your face. This particular product, I am applying it on my cheeks. I'm going to apply it on my lips. I'm also going to apply it on my eyes, which is optional. You don't have to apply it. But because I want color on my eyes, I don't want my eyes to look a kind of flat. That is why I am applying it. So beauties, at the end of the day, how many products am I using? I used only 3. Mascara, foundation, and then the lip and cheek tint. These are the products that I just 3. You know, when I watch a beginner-friendly type of makeup, and then in the comment section, they complain a lot. This is not a beginner-friendly makeup. These are so many steps. So, no. We want a simple, a quick, easy, out-of-the-door type of a makeup tutorial. I hope this particular video is what you really needed. It is very simple. It is very easy. Okay? You don't have to use tons and tons of product on your face, beauties. Look at how my face is looking beautiful, youthful, glowy, but not aggressively glowy. So as you can see, I am using the same product on my lips. Here it serves me 3 purposes: on my eyes, on my cheeks, and then on my lips. That is just it. Please share this video, beauties, because this is what beginners are looking for. But if you don't have a good brow, definitely you will need a brow pencil. If you don't have long lashes like me, you will need a mascara. So other than that, if you have these 2, then you need only 3 products. So beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Share this video, comment, give this video a massive like. Beginners are looking for this type of video. So please share so that beginners will get this video. I am just showing you the 3 products that I use, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and stay safe out there, beauties. Till my next video. Bye. Bye bye.